Hello, third graders. Today we're going to continue to learn about the western region of the United States. The state that we're going to be learning about today is Hawaii. And if you look at our map of the United States, Hawaii is not over here. But if you look all the way over to the left in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, you'll see that Hawaii is an island that is part of our 50 states. So we'll take a look at the Hawaii information. So it is made up of a bunch of little islands, actually 132 islands to be exact. And many of them are the tops of volcanoes that were erupted and then kind of formed tiny little islands. So this is the capital of Hawaii. It is Honolulu. And you can see here are the little tiny islands. So some of the geography that makes up Hawaii, the shoreline makes up 1/6 of Hawaii's land because again, they're very, very tiny islands. So there's a lot of cliffs, a lot of waterfalls that fall right into the ocean. There is an active volcano, and it is also Hawaii's highest peak. There's also some tropical forest that grow on Hawaii's larger lands, and the islands that Hawaii has are like beautiful white sand beaches, so very nice. The climate, unlike the other states in the West, the climate is very different in Hawaii. It's more tropical. They're usually very warm throughout the year, so the average temperature in the winter is about 68 degrees, and the average temperature in July is about 75 degrees. So we'll check out some cool landmarks. Here is Waikiki Beach. It's a popular beach. Tons of tourists come there to surf the ocean blue. This is Mauna Loa. This is the largest volcano, the highest peak in Hawaii. And it is one of the most active volcanoes. This is the USS Arizona Memorial. This was the memorial when for the Pearl Harbor attacks. So now there is a museum for people to tour and learn more about the event. This is the Kauanolu village site, a former fishing village that was abandoned a long time ago in the 1880s. And now it's a national landmark. So this is Puʻi-o-Mahukahi, located on the Ohio. It is a place of worship. So if you would like to learn more about Hawaii, you can go on to Pebble Go Next. It talks all about the history and government, industry, people, any cool fun facts. So there's a lot to learn.